Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be this month's Ipsy's BoxyCharm unboxing. I was thinking a few months ago whether or not to get the Lux, but this month I just got rid of Lux, honestly. So if you guys are wondering what I got in this month's box, why I got rid of Lux, then please keep it. So before we get into the box, I just want to touch base on why this month is not a Lux box or an icon box or whatever they're calling it. I honestly, the items were great, and you know, if you don't have a lot of product at home, it's a great thing to get, but I have so much stuff. I have an overflow of things that I can't do the icon box anymore. Like, I just have so much stuff sitting in my drawers, just things I haven't even touched yet. So I just said, you know what, let me just stick with BoxyCharm, and you know, maybe as my items decrease, I can go back to the icon box. Opening it up, let me tell you, I am pleased. I'm a happy camper here. So we have packaging, we got some kind of protection going on in the box. So we have this little paper, and as I glance through it, honestly, this does not have any of the items listed with price list like they used to have with the BoxyCharm. So this is useless to me. I can't stand that crap, excuse my language. But if you're gonna have a paper insert, at least put what variation we have, our items, like we used to get. We have some packaging here. The box was tightly snug and fit, so nothing was loosey-goosey. So let's just jump right into it. The first item that I see on the app is Alamar Cosmetics Destino Eyeshadow Palette. So I'm going to find that in here. Oh, that's not it. It's on the bottom. Okay, here we go. From what I'm seeing in the app, because I obviously it's not open, it looks very colorful. It doesn't remind me of fall or anything, so it's more like a summer spring palette. But I like that they bubble wrapped it. Okay, so I love the packaging on this. So let's see how much this retails for. It does have the shades listed on the back. This palette retails for $35. It is 11 grams. This is a full-size palette. It's supposed to be a curated collection of 10 buttery smooth eyeshadows, inspired by the journey to self-discovery. Okay. This is the front of the palette. Colors and ingredients again listed on the back. It does say it's vegan and cruelty free. So, oh, what the hell? How do you open this thing? It's not a standard packaging. So, I don't know. Is it magnetic? What is there's a lock. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so zooming in, this is what it looks like here. And then you see this. I can't just, it's not gonna let me do it. So if you slide that over, I can't read what that says. Unlocked. Destiny unlocked. I think that's so cute. Look at that. Let's see if it, oh, it does. It opens up. What? That is super cool. I've never seen a palette like that before. I mean, we have the Jeffree Star collection where it has like the clasps and things, but just something simple to where and minimalistic, I guess. I don't know. I love that. I think it's super cute. So opening up the palette, we have this going on here. I don't know. No, this is just like, that's just the locking mechanism. But there are the shades. They are very pretty. We have some neutral tones. We have some very bright, like, bam. But I feel like this is a well-rounded palette because you have your basics. You can go with smoky. We have some cool tones. And then we have those bright shimmers like for the summer and spring. But yeah, I definitely feel like you could use this all year round. The next item on the list is the Kopari Beauty Marine Clean Purifying Gel Cleanser, which is in here. I appreciate the packaging. I thought maybe it was glass. That's why they put it on, but it's not. It's a plastic bottle. It is a pump. So let's see what we got going on here. This retails for $29. It is full size. This is 5 whole ounces. It says here on the app, get ready to dive into deeply cleansed skin. This dual action cleanser transforms from a smoothing gel to a refreshing foam. Oh, leaving your skin pampered and never ever parched. So it's supposed to be hydrating. It has good ingredients like marine algae extracts, amino acids, and vitamin B5. This also melts away makeup while treating your skin with a little TLC it deserves. That's very cool. The fact that it goes from a gel to a foam. I've never actually used a product like that. And the fact that this is hydrating is great for me in the winter months because like my skin be dry and then I'll eczema and it's the next item is a choice item, and I had picked out the Ofra Cosmetics South Beach Bronzer. I like Ofra Cosmetics. I don't have a lot of it in my collection. I do have some highlighters and I have used some eyeshadows in the past, and you can never go wrong with a bronzer or enough contour because your girl needs to slim that face. So this is what the shades look like. It retails for $35. This is Bronzer South Beach. Okay. This is 7 grams, full size, and it's a bronzer. You know, it's supposed to make you slim, tan, and all that. It was a choice item, and it is the Wander Beauty Upgrade Brows Pencil and Gel in Dark Brown. So this is a automatic pencil. You twist it up. It's very thin. You could do some precise application. Now, as for the gel, I'm not sure if it's clear. Oh, look at that. So it is a clear... It is a clear gel, and that brush is super thin, so you'll be able to get, again, precision out of this item. This does retail for $26. This is 1.3 grams and then 0.05 grams. I'm not sure which end is which. They don't specify, but it is a full-size product. Okay, the next item is, I'm pretty sure, yep, is La Palette Beauty Hydra Blue Petal Serum Toner. I've never heard of this brand. I love the packaging though, I will say that. Let me zoom in a little, bring it closer. I do like the packaging. I like the aesthetic on that. Your girl always needs a toner. I gotta wash, and if not double cleanse, I gotta use a toner. So it says on the box itself, I'm looking at the price, it does retail for $28. Hydrogel Petal Capsule, Multi Skincare 3-in-1, Toner, Serum, and Hydra Gel Mask. Wow. How do you use it as a mask? After washing your face, take a suitable amount to whole face and gently absorb it into the face. I guess you just a mask that leaves it on if you put on enough. I don't really know. But that's super interesting. Let's open this up. 100 milliliters, full size. It is classified as a toner on the app. Bouncy hydrated skin here we come. This toner melts into your skin as it delivers some serious hydration thanks to ingredients like iris extract, hydrogel petal, and triple hyaluronic acid. Morning and night you can use this. Look how pretty. Oh, you guys, that is cute. Those are petals in there. That is super cute. I love that. I'm sorry if you hear my son in the background. He's kind of not loud as I'm filming in here because he's all up in things. But that's super cute. I love the aesthetic of that. Here we are, Beauty Boost, $69 value. And this is the Huda Beauty Empowered Eyeshadow Palette. Let me tell you, I was so glad I was able to actually choose this item because when I seen it, I was like, yes, this is my jam. I love warm tones, neutrals. That's me. Like, so this was just calling out to me. Look at that. I love that packaging though, let me tell you. Empowered Huda Beauty. Let me tell you, sometimes I need to feel a little empowered because being a stay-at-home mom, it's hard. You know, being a mom in general is hard. So sometimes you need that little pick-me-up. Ooh. I gotta say, these shades look so much prettier in person. I cannot describe it, but that is nice. Definitely all year round palette. Day looks, night looks. This is going to give you it all. I love it. Look at that. Super pretty. That wraps up the video today, you guys. So what did you think of this month's box? Let me tell you my thoughts. I'm going to tell you right now. First opinions. Out of 5 stars, let's see. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. I'm very impressed with this box. I love all the items that were in it. It was well packaged. I love that. It so far so good with the packaging. Last month was a little but this month's a little bit better. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to comment down below, give me a thumbs up. It helps push my video out there in the algorithm, helps everybody see my videos. And if you have made it this far in the video and you have not done so already, what are you doing? Sting that subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me and help me pollinate my videos anywhere from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, your mom, your neighbor, or your mother, whoever, or your grandma. I don't know. I can't talk right now, but you know what I mean. And hopefully I will catch you in my next one. Bye. I love him again.